Now the session is open for question and answers. Any theoretical concept about Ethereum, blockchain, or practical concept about these smart contracts or vulnerability concepts, anything you can ask.
As a sir, I'm not using any of this program or any of this things, sir.
Okay.
But to have a basic understanding of this smart contract and this thing, where all these can be used and as a general application.
Okay, no, sir. Simple. I told you that tenant and rent example, right?
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now, till now, what we are doing, we were depending on that stamp paper, right? We use the stamp paper. We type the conditions. Okay, so that is assessed by a third party, right? Now you can avoid this third party. You can create your own smart contract as an agreement. You being an owner, you create your own agreement and you deploy that. Whenever a new tenant comes, you deploy that agreement to his contract address. So there is a possibility that automatically your tenant can transfer the rent amount to your account every month on or before of 10th. This is also possible. This is one application.
Sir,
Okay.
if the tenant, hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Deviate the conditions mentioned in the smart contract, who will
Yeah.
in the physical form, the courts is there. You can
yes.
file a case in the court. Whereas in the smart contract, a deviation is there. What is the how you can solve the problem?
Sir, no, see, the solving the problem is secondary point here. Okay. But now, whatever you specify in the contract that is deployed in the blockchain, it is available publicly, right? Whether your tenant is giving the rent regularly or not, that is available as a transaction.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, instead of depending on the third party, right, you can create this smart contract. Automatically, every month, if your tenant and you are having the wallet address, so Ether can be transferred from your tenant account to your account. Once the contract expires, then you can forward the balance amount to advance amount to your tenant. All these things can be performed automatically. So this is one application. Like this, you have plenty of applications.
No, your application is what you told is we could understand, but what sir is asking, if the tenant or if the owner of the person is having a dispute, or if the tenant is not paying the rent, it will not be recorded in the blockchain that he has not paid it.
It will be recorded,
Who
sir.
will solve
It will
this
be
problem
recorded.
between us? It
No,
will
no,
be
it will be
recorded
recorded,
that he
sir.
has not. Okay. If I go to court, will the court agree this contract, smart contract?
Definitely, provided this should.
As a layman, if you are the owner, I'm the tenant, I have to pay you every month 10,000 rupees, and we have a smart contract. Based on that, money is deducted. In my bank account, if there is no money, it will not come to you. So, where you will go and raise this problem that your tenant is not paying the rent for the last 3 months, please, you have to go to police station or you have to go to court.
See, whether it is a physical or smart contract or whatever may be, right? So you should have a proof, right? Now physically, how will you say that your tenant has not paid rent to you? Do you have any proof for that? If you have, you can go to the court or police station. In the same way, in the smart contract, there is a proof, right? Your tenant has not paid rent.
Yes,
right? Dispute can be taken into police station or court because that is not in our hand. We cannot provide any kind of solution for that.
You are telling it can be used, but government of if I go to our local police authority or somebody, he has to understand this and then he has to take
Yes,
it
sir,
as
because,
evidence.
sir, in the current scenario, see, this is blockchain as of now. None of the companies or organizations have deployed blockchain 100% as of today. But this is an emerging technology. Next 10 to 15 years, everyone will be migrating to blockchain. Right? Because
Oh,
that's
you're
what the
telling
powerful.
it can be used, but whatever if others also should recognize that and use it. That's the
Yes, yes, definitely. We have a cyber police, right? They are
Okay.
able to detect all these things, right?
Okay.
So only thing is, sir, just take another example of land registration. You would have, one or other person would have come across that cheating in the land registration, right? If blockchain is used in that, then I will say that I'll guarantee that no such cheating will occur, and everyone will be very peacefully. They can able to I am the one person who are cheated by this land registration. If blockchain is implemented, you can avoid all these things, sir. See,
Yes,
in
that's
real time, blockchain is very much required, but I don't know how far government will support this.
what this smart contract has to be. Say, if I go to registering office, I have to pay him 100 rupees or 300 rupees for
Yes, sir.
registering my contract.
Ah,
So now I'm not paying anything to police station or my contracting authority.
yes, sir. Only transaction
So
fees.
why he should recognize my smart contract? He will say you both have made an agreement. You both have to decide on that. Why a police or a government registration authority should come inside that? He will not come
No,
inside.
sir. If any dispute arises, police will come into picture, right? In the same way here,
Okay.
that's it. But instead of
Yeah,
physical agreement, we are going to digital contract. That's it.
but government will not get a stamp value, no. So government will not recognize this, no.
That's what, sir. Now I have heard that Telangana government is already implementing blockchain technology for land registration. Government has to come up, sir. That is not
Government has to
a
come up.
plan.
So, ultimately, it is revenue which is required for the government. So if I am going to make a smart contract, I have to pay the government. So government has to find a way to do that. Then it is a recognizable.
Yes,
That's
yes,
what.
yes. Only if it is comes to real world, then only we can use it.
Okay. That's
Many
okay.
industries have started, sir, using blockchain. LIC
Government
industries.
has not.
No,
Government
LIC
has not
industries are the
started.
private. Private can use, no, sir. LIC industries, they have all started using blockchain. But it takes time to completely migrate.
No, the thing is that any contract has to be
Of course.
accepted by government of
Yes, yes, of
government
course.
organization who is the final authority to punish the contract who are deviated.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
that authority government is only having. So government has to recognize this and they have to bring it inside. Then only
True,
it will be
true. Yes.
success. We will be doing it and you are explaining it. We are understanding. I could
Yes,
understand.
because this is a technology. If we use it properly, right, so we'll have advantages, right? It is left to the government again.
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
Sir, I am not able to go inside this earlier session practical that we will see after this session.
Okay, sir. I have given my mail ID, right? You can send me Google link, Google Meet link. We'll join, sir. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Let us not disturb others.
Okay, thank you.
Any other doubts, queries?
Sir, this smart contract is backend, right?
No, sir. Yeah, it is stored in the backend only, but you can have user interface also.
Sir, for front end, what languages can we use?
You can use Node.js, Web3.js to interact with the smart contract.
So can we interact through C++?
Not C++. You can use Python coding language, React.js for front end.
Okay, so no, like Qt language, anything related to C++?
No.
No, not Java, in
No, I
Java?
don't think so. No, sir. Because we have used React.js to create the front end.
Okay,
We
sir.
have, currently, one of my final year students, they have done a project, supply chain management using Ethereum and IPFS. Okay, so no involvement of any other. Okay, if that particular project is implemented, you'll have a good future for the farmers, right? Starting from the identifying the crop till you can get the finance from the supplier. Like this, we have designed the project. So like this, you have a different types of applications. You can think of this once you understood this, you can think n number of projects, and you can give that project to your BTech final year or MTech students.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Any more
as
doubts?
a project, if I have a contract, it is between two parties only. It cannot be between two, three parties, multiple parties.
No, it is not like that. Same contract you can deploy to other contract address, right? See, first now for 1 year I will be the tenant. For next year, some other will be tenant. Deploy once, sir. Deploy the contract once. You can use that contract for n number of times with n people. Understand, sir?
Sir,
Okay,
I also
totally.
have one question.
Yes, sir.
I am Praful.
Yeah.
So when we say this contract, right? So if I take this example of rent agreement, right?
No.
So the rent agreement will be drafted, right? There will be, let's say there are 10 different points on which the tenant and the tenant has to agree upon, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
I will prepare a document, and how do I then submit it onto like blockchain platform?
No, actually, that physical kind of agreement you cannot do here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so you have to write a code in Solidity,
Okay.
right? So you have to specify that on every month so and so date, right? Yeah, the tenant has to send this much amount to this particular wallet address. Like this, you have to specify. It all depends
Okay.
on how you code this Solidity.
I see. So then, even for that kind of a rent agreement, I need to code it in the
Yes,
Solidity.
yes. Every contract is coding in Solidity, sir.
Okay, okay, got it.
Yeah.
But what are all the terms and conditions where you will put it in the message of the
Sir, that is
contract?
different. That is, see, if you know in detail about Solidity programming language, automatically you can do it.
Okay. It will not give the terms and conditions. It will say how do you get the money, and you that will be put it in a blockchain and it will be timestamped. That's all.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is there any other application other than this tenant you have come across?
Sir, I told you right now, my students, they have done supply chain management in blockchain for farmers.
Okay, can you
Now,
explain?
farmers, they have to take a loan, right, from bank or somewhere else. Okay, so now by taking this loan, they'll be developing a crop. At particular time, even if the crop fail also, they are unable to pay back the loan. Right now, to get all these actors in one particular place, they are using the supply chain management. Farmer will be there, supplier will be there, and the demander will be there, and financier will be there. Now, suppose now, and weather condition also will be there. We will be identifying the what is the weather condition so for so and so crop, and the farmer will be ready to grow that crop. And if any financier is ready, he can invest on that farmer crop. Right, everything we are bringing all the actors together in this platform, starting
Okay.
from the seed buying the seed till the selling that crops, I mean that vegetables or whatever may be, right? We are bringing all the actors together using this platform.
Okay.
Like this, you
So
have
when
plenty of applications.
seed is purchased, the seed selling person will authorize it. It is a correct seed, and the insurance agency is there. He will say, "I have insured this crop."
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
Yeah, whether a weather agency will say what is today's rain or yesterday's rain or what is the flood is available.
Yes.
So, yeah, so you will
Depending
write
on
in a
weather condition, it will provide you which are the suitable crops that you can grow. Then even though a farmer doesn't have the finance, anyone financier can supply money to him. All these things we have done this. Like this, you have plenty of applications, sir, in real time.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.